Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a veg bagel sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a fresh bagel, your preferred cream cheese, and a selection of crisp vegetables like cucumber, tomato, and lettuce. Don't forget a sharp knife and a cutting board. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious result in just a few minutes. Now let's prepare our fresh vegetables. Start by washing everything thoroughly under cool running water. Then carefully slice your cucumber and tomato into thin, even rounds about 1/8 of an inch thick. For lettuce, you can either shred it or tear it into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Remember to pat dry any excess moisture from your veggies. This helps keep your bagel from getting soggy. It's time to assemble your delicious bagel sandwich. First, toast your bagel to your preferred level of golden crispness. Once toasted, spread a generous, even layer of your chosen cream cheese on both the top and bottom halves. Next, artfully arrange your sliced vegetables on one half of the bagel. Layer them nicely for an appealing look and balanced bite. Finally, place the other bagel half on top and gently press down. Your homemade veg bagel sandwich is now ready to enjoy. For easier handling and a more satisfying bite, I recommend cutting your bagel in half. This makes it perfect for a quick breakfast, a light lunch, or a satisfying snack. Pair it with a side of fresh fruit or a refreshing beverage. This simple, fresh sandwich is a delightful way to enjoy a healthy and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.